First, gather your ingredients. For the chocolate layer, you'll need 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The caramel layer calls for a cup of caramel bits or chopped caramels and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Start by prepping an 8 by 8 inch square baking pan. Line it with parchment paper, allowing it to overhang the edges. This simple trick will make removing your fudge a breeze later on. Turn your attention to the chocolate layer. In a medium saucepan, combine the chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk. Apply low heat and stir steadily until the chocolate completely melts into a smooth mixture. Now, remove it from the heat and add in the vanilla extract. Pour half of this luscious chocolate blend into your prepared pan, smoothing it out evenly with a spatula. Chill it in the refrigerator while you prepare the caramel. Next up, the caramel layer. Combine your caramel bits or chopped caramels and heavy cream in a small saucepan. Heat over low, stirring until the caramel melts into a smooth, velvety mixture. Pour this caramel goodness over your chocolate layer, spreading it out evenly. Now gently reheat the remaining chocolate mixture if it has set, and pour it over the caramel layer. Make sure to spread it evenly to cover the caramel completely. Once done, place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow your fudge to set perfectly. When it's ready, use the overhanging parchment paper to lift the fudge out of the pan, place it on a cutting board, and cut it into squares. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge and enjoy this sweet treat whenever you crave a little indulgence. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.